Hey everyone, my name is Trishan Kumar Sunarajan. Today I will discuss about the bisection method of numerical method part 2. So let's start now. Okay, these are the topic we discuss as part 2, such as the problem on bisection method and homework problem. Okay, question 1. Using bisection method, obtain root of the equation ax minus 3x equal to 0. Correct up to 2 decimal place. Okay, so we need to try to do the solution. Okay, we need to try to get the solution. Okay, so let y equal to, so f is x. So ax minus 3x equal to 0. See, that's the equation of the, so that's the bisection method. Obtain root of the equation. So these are the equation. Okay, to find initial root a and b. Okay, we have, okay, to find initial root a and b, we have to guess. We have to guess the value of x. We have to get the value of the x. Okay, so f if 1. Okay, f if 1 is, so e1 minus 3 times 1. How much? Okay, e1 minus 3 times 1. So negative 0.28171871. Okay, how about the f2? e2 minus 3 times 2. Okay, so answer is 1.3890560099. Okay, and f is 1.5. f is 1.5 is, okay, e 1.5 root minus 3 times 1.5. How much? 1.5 minus 3 is 1.5. Okay, so answer is negative 0.01831. So answer is 0.01831. So that's to find initial root of a and b. So we have to get the value. So that's the do for example 1 lah. Okay. Okay. Next one, if okay, so f is for fx. Okay, 1.5 is negative 0.01831. 2 is 1.38905. Okay, 1 is, okay, okay, to get it, so 2 and 1.5, right? Okay, for the first iteration, is a is 1.5, b is 2. Okay, so x0 is 1.5 plus 2 divided by 2, then how much? So 1.5 plus 2 divided by 2. Answer is 1.75. Okay, so f is at 0. Okay, equal to for f is 1.75 equal to, okay, e 1.75 root minus 3 times 1.75. How much? Okay, e times 1.75 minus 3 is 1.75. Okay, answer is 0.5046. 0.5046. 0. Okay, so that's the answer. 1.75 is 0.50460. Okay, 1.7 is 0.50460. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the second iteration. Let's go to the second iteration. Okay. If the number become positive, then we get for, okay, so A, we need to change the number A. So really A need to change the number. Okay. So 1.75, and B, how much? B, what number is this? Okay, 1.5. 1.5. We need to get the first number. Okay, so we need to get B, need to get for old number. A, we get for a new number. Okay, so if number become positive. Okay, so at 0 is 1.75 plus 1.5 divided by 2. Okay, 1.75 plus 1.5 divided by 2. Now how much? Okay, 1.625. Okay, 1.65. So f at 0 is, okay, f is 1.625 equal to, so A 1.625 root minus 3 times 1.625, okay, equal to how much? Very simple. Just calculate this number. A times 1.625 minus 3 is 1.625. So the answer is 0.203419. Okay, 0.203419. Answer is 0.20. Okay, in the 1.625 is 0.203419. So that's the answer in the second iteration. Okay, for the third iteration, okay, A and B, what the answer? Please guess it. If number become positive. Okay, A is 1.625, B is 1.5. Okay, B is 1.5. Okay, so at 0 is 1.625 plus 1.5 divided by 2. Then how much? Okay, so 1.625 plus 1.5 divided by 2. Okay, answer is 1.5625. Okay, so f at 0 equal to, so f is 1.5625. Okay, so E is 1.5625 minus 3 times 1.5625. Okay, 1.5625. So what answer is this? Okay, E times 1.5625 minus 3 times 1.5625. How much? Okay, so answer is 0.083233. Okay, 0.083233. So that's the answer in the third iteration. Okay, so 1.5625, 0.083233. So that's the answer in the third iteration. Design first iteration, second iteration, third iteration. Okay, let's go to the fourth iteration. Fourth iteration. Okay, for iteration A and B, please guess the answer for A and B. What the number? If number become positive, okay, so A is 1.5625, B is 1.5. B is 1.5, okay, at 0 is, okay, 1.5625 plus 1.5 equal to 2. Sorry, divide by 2. Okay, please calculate this answer. Please calculate it. 1.5625. Okay, answer is 1.531. Oh, sorry. Okay, 1.53125. Okay, so f is at 0. F is 1.53125. Okay, equal to A 1.53125 minus 3 times 1.53125. How much? So A times 1.53125. 1.53125 times 3 is 1.53125. Okay, answer is 0.03020. Oh, sorry. Okay, so answer is 0.03020. Okay, it become positive lah. Okay, so need to go that's answers. Okay, 1.53125 is 0.03020. So that's the answer in the fourth iteration. Okay, so let's get this one for answer for integration. So f is x. 1.5 is 0.01831 and 1.5625 0.832 1.53125. So 0.03020. Okay, let's go for the fifth iteration. Fifth iteration. So if number become positive. Okay, in the fourth iteration, if number become positive lah. Okay, so A need to change this number. So 1.53125 and B no need to change. We get a for whole number. Okay, so F0 is so 1.53125 plus 1.5 divided by 2. How much? 1.53125 plus 1.5 divided by 2. Now how much? Okay, 1.5152625. Okay, see that means so f is at 0. F is 1.5152625. At how much? E at 0 minus 3 times at 0. How much? Minus 1.516. Okay, so answer is 5.3904. 5.3904. Okay, negative 3 root, negative cube root, negative 3 root. Okay, if the number become negative 3 root, so please go in front 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0.005390. 5390. So that's the answer in the fifth iteration. Okay, so that's after number. Okay, 1.515625 and 0.005390. So that's the answers in the fifth iteration. Okay, for the sixth iteration, for the next iteration, okay, if number become positive, it's very simple. So A is 1.515625 and B is 1.5. So X0 is so 1.515625 plus 1.5 divided by 2. equal to, okay, 1.515625 plus 1.5 divided by 2, then equal to, so 1.5078125. Okay, f at 0 is f is 1.5078125. So equal to, so a at 0 minus 3 times at 0. Okay, please calculate this. Please calculate it. 1.5078125 minus 3 1.5078125. Okay, so the answer is negative 6.598. Negative 3 root. Negative 3 root, so then become, so 1 to 3. So 0.00. Okay, 0.006598. Negative. Okay. If the number became negative, if the number became negative. Okay, for the final iteration, okay, for the next iteration, A and B, if the number become negative in the sixth iteration, then what's the answer? A. Okay, very simple. So A is 1.5078125. B, we need to change new number. We need to change to new number. Okay, we need to get new number. So if number become negative, B must get for a new number. Okay, so B is 1.51562.5. Okay, B is 1.51562.5. Okay, so at 0 is 1.5078125 plus 1.51562.5 divided by 2. How much? Okay, so answer is 1.511 Okay, so f is at 0, if f is 1.5117185. So E at 0 minus 3 times at 0, so how much? 1.517.875 minus 3 is 1.517.875. Well, how much? Okay, so negative 6.384. Negative 6.384. So negative 4 root. Okay, negative 4 root. So answer 0.0006384. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0.0000384. So that's the answer. Okay, this one, that's the final answer is 1.511711875. So 2 that's number. So 1.51. So that's the final answer is this. Okay, so 1.511711875 is 0.0006384. Okay, so if the number become 1.5, it will be final iteration. So simple. So that's the answers. To get the final answer is this. Okay. So need to change the color lah. Okay. the root of s lie between 1.5117 and 1.515625. The root of s lie between 1.5117 and 1.515625. So that's the answer. So root of, let me change. So root of x is, so root of x is 1.51. Correct up to, correct up to 2 decimal number. Decimal place, sorry. Decimal place. Places. So the root of x is 1.5, correct up to 2 decimal place. Okay, so that's the final answers. Okay, our initial assumption A equal to 1.5, B equal to 2. So FA equal to negative 0.0183, FB equal to 1.3890. Okay, please take note certainly to get the final answers. For each iteration. Okay, next. So these are the homework problem. So for those people who can practice this homework problem, you can practice to get the final answers. If you found this answer, so please check this answer certainly. Yeah. So the question is, find the positive real root of s log 10 x equal to 1.15 using the bisection method. Perform for iteration. Solution is, let y equal to fx equal to s log x minus 1.15. Okay, f1 equal to negative 1, sorry. Okay, so negative 1.15. f2 is 0.5479. So that's my answer. Okay, f3 is 0.28136. So fs equal to 0 as about 1 root in 2, 3. So according to bisection method, we can take a equal to 2 and b is 3. So x0 equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 2.5. Okay. So for the f with x0 is, so f is 2.5 equal to, so negative 0.15514. Okay, so to get this answer for this example of the equation, bisection method equation. Okay, so please take note certainly to this one. So this answer, please take note this, and please take note this. Okay, and please take note this. Okay, the position group of function s log x equal to 1.15 is lie between 2.625 and 2.65625, which approximated to 2.7, correct up to 2 significant figures. Okay guys, so please take note. So this is a final page. This is the last page, so please take note certainly. on all the homework problem. Okay, that's all for now. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much.